Welcome to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and train rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Lionel and MTH. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains has announced 2 exclusive 8,000-gallon tank cars for the Metropolitan Division of the Train Collectors Association, Conoco and Mangel's Syrup. Cars are expected to arrive in late 2024 and are priced at $94.99 each, or both for $179.99. Lionel Trains has announced an exclusive Hiawatha-style steam locomotive in Fantasy Atlantic Coastline colors for the train loft. Models are expected to arrive in 2024, and the early order price is $1199.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale 36-foot woodside reefer in unique Dock Brewery colors for the Northern Michigan Railroad Club. Dock Brewery of Marquette, Michigan, in conjunction with the Northern Michigan Railroad Club, has created a What If woodside billboard reefer. These cars will be produced in very limited quantities and are available for order on a first-come, first-served basis with an anticipated arrival date of May 2024. The early order price is $105. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Premier O-Scale gondola car with LCL containers in Denver Rio Grande Union Pacific Heritage colors for exclusive distribution by the Train Loft. The car will be available in 2 unique car numbers and will be produced in extremely limited quantities. They will be available for delivery beginning in June 2024. The pre-order price is $74.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale steel-sided stock car in Burlington colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. Available in limited quantities, the cars are available in 2 unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in June 2024. The early order price is $67.95. MTH Electric Trains has announced the 2024 O-Gauge Rail King Imperial ES44 diesel locomotive and complementing extended vision cabooses in Florida East Coast, CSX B&O Heritage colors, CSX Chessie System Heritage colors, and Union Pacific, plus additional cabooses in Norfolk Southern and BNSF colors. All are slated for release next fall. Each of these offerings is expected to begin shipping to MTH dealers in September 2024. The suggested retail price for the ES44 diesels is $419.95 each, and the cabooses are listed for $74.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale gondola car with LCL containers in Milwaukee Road colors for Mr. Muffin's Trains. Available in limited quantities, the cars are available in 2 unique car numbers and are slated to arrive in June 2024. The early order price is $66.95. And MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive and uncatalogued Premier O-Scale U25B diesel locomotive in GE Demonstrator colors for exclusive distribution by Easy Catch and Dixie Union Station. The locomotives will be available in 2 unique cab numbers in extremely limited quantities beginning in May 2024. The early order price is $529.99 plus freight. On a sad note, according to media reports, Entertainment Junction near Cincinnati, Ohio, billed as the world's largest indoor train display, is currently looking for new ownership. The asking price for the 80,000 square foot facility and fabulous G-gauge model railroad is $6.5 million. If new ownership is not found by the end of 2024, the facility may close, which would be a loss to the entire model railroad community. Let's hope that the attraction finds the means to continue into 2025 and beyond. And remember to visit our new Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links, so you can find the item you want while you keep these videos coming by supporting our channel. And remember to check out our latest long-format video every Saturday at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. That's all for this week. Thanks for watching.